What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and ring that bell for notifications so you never miss a video. So if you follow us, you probably know I just bought this E46 M3. Actually, yesterday I bought it. It was delivered today. And while I was inspecting it, looking at it yesterday, the owner told me it's not blowing cold air. The AC is not blowing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge it because that's all it probably needs. So I just went to Advanced Auto and I bought this Artic Freeze charging system. It's really nice. It stops leaks colder and faster, and it's the R134A. Has a little gauge here which will help you fill it up. Now the AC compressor, there's a couple things you want to do on these cars. The low end is right here at this port here. It's not this one here. And anyway, even if you try to put this in this inlet here, it's not going to fit. On many BMWs, it's located up there. So the AC compressor is located down there. I'll grab a flashlight so I can demonstrate what we're going to be doing here. Evan just put all the tools away. There we go. Oh, I'll just use this one here. All right, let's get back in the front. So, we on? There we go. So, I don't know if you guys can see down there, but all the way down there, if you see that pulley right there, that is the AC compressor. The front part of it, closer to the front of the car, that's what we're going to pay attention to. So before we hook this up, we're going to jump into the car and we are going to start it up. And we're going to let me take these out so you can hear me. We're gonna start the car and we're gonna turn the AC on all the way as cold as it gets. Make sure you turn the little snowflake on so the AC is running. All right. So I have as low as it can go. Have the AC on. All right. So it's probably blowing. I don't have a temperature gauge to show you guys. But it's cool because it's not that hot out today. But on a hot summer day, it will blow hotter. So it's just recirculating the outside air. So we're gonna fix this right now. All right, so now that the car's running, I'm gonna show you what the AC pump looks like running. So it's down that corner. You see the front of it spinning? It's right there. You see it spinning? Now, if I turn the AC off, let me turn it off real quick. There we go. We'll go back to where we were. And then you'll see the front of it is stopped. The belt and all is spinning, but the front of that AC compressor is stopped. So you know the AC compressor is working when you do that. So good news. Let's turn the AC back on. And if I go back, you'll see it spinning again. And she is spinning. Round and round she goes. All right. So the next thing you're going to do is we're going to take this top off. We're going to unscrew it. And then we're going to take this tab off, unscrew that. And then this is just going to go right back on top to pierce the can. And give it a good shake. There we go. Don't forget some gloves, eye protection, just to be careful. Evan must have got freaking extra small. Look at these things. They will not go on. That's as good as you're gonna get right there. All right, so let's go hook it back up. All right, I don't know if you can hear me with the engine running, but we're gonna go ahead and put this end back on. Now, if you have no compression right here, once you plug it in, the car's running, do not charge your system. Something else is wrong with your car. So don't waste the money. Go ahead, return this. There's something else wrong with the car. So as you're pulling the trigger, you're going to want to move it around. Squirt for about 10-12 seconds. Let it go. There we go. We're moving up there. I want it between 40 and 50. I took my gloves off because my finger is not working with my phone to record. So there we go. We're at 40 psi right now. So we're at 40 psi right now. I'm gonna go a little bit more, just a tiny bit, not too much. You know, this thing, he didn't recharge. He had this car for about 2 years, and he only drove in the fall and the spring, so he didn't really need the AC. So he never recharged it, even though it's so simple to do. I think we're good here. Now, take this off. Let's go inside and see if it's cooling down here. Oh yeah. Oh, so much cooler. AC is working. Perfect. I mean, I use the whole can, but it's just that easy, guys. Now, yours may not use the whole can. Depends how much refrigerant you need. Mine, like I said, the guy wasn't using, the owner before me, he was only driving it in the spring and fall, so he didn't really need the AC. Once you're done, you want to make sure you put your cap back on, and we are good to go. Real simple video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please smash that like button for me, subscribe if you're new, and we will see you in the next video.